Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Velo truly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.21% in most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical. Velo essentially has a by and large all-out market cap of $14,637,771 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,552,107, which really is very critical. This basically makes Velo truly positioning at 702 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo truly be really worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Is Velo an especially wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner? Will Velo cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely huge? These in every practical sense are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which really shows that will Velo cost especially outperform its untouched high. Velo value forecast 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost by and large is supposed to especially cross in every way that really matters. Normal value level of $0. The normal by and large least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the very current year ought to for the most part be $0 in especially significant manner. Besides, Velo can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0 a huge manner. Velo value conjecture May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Velo truly is supposed to truly arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $0 a quite huge manner. The Velo cost could fundamentally arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0, the kind of typical cost around $0, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Velo cost generally is gauged to really arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $0. The Velo cost could especially arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0 in exceptionally significant manner. Velo value figure July 2023. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Velo could go to $0 the finish of July 2023 in an especially significant manner. Velo could basically be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0 the in every practical sense, least expected cost of $0. So Velo especially has a kind of complete market cap of $14,637,771 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,552,107, or so they most certainly thought. Velo value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Velo cost in every practical sense is conjectured to generally arrive at an essentially the most reduced cost of $0 a fundamentally huge manner. The Velo cost could especially arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0, the fundamentally normal expected cost around $0. Velo value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Velo explicitly is somewhat anticipated to really arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0 at least $0. Velo value expectation October 2023. Velo cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $0 October 2023, while the very normal cost of Velo for the October fundamentally remains around $0. Value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Velo truly is anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 for the most part least of $0, which by and large is very huge. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of $0. Velo cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the kind of typical cost of $0 USD, which sort of is genuinely critical. Velo in every practical sense. Past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been somewhat diminished by 4.72% in its sort of current worth, exhibiting that Velo by and large has a complete market cap of $14,637,771 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,552,107, which really is very huge. Assuming we think about the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, which certainly is very critical. Velo especially is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Velo basically is down to nearly 12.78% in the genuinely most recent 7 days in a really significant manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past certainly couple of days. The coin could truly have areas of strength for commonly, however. We don't feel that it would a productive resource and truly transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo by and large diminished by 53.611%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0 its for the most part current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a fundamentally decent explicitly purchase and open door for truly fast venture, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 22.23%, and the cost truly circled from a base extremely normal cost of $0 genuinely greatest sort of normal cost of $0 the by and large beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In sort of most recent 4 months, Velo basically has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo truly is expanded from 4 months in a by and large significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in an essentially enormous manner. The coin basically is up by 20.08%, with the especially greatest sort of typical cost of the coin especially was around $0. The kind of least genuinely normal cost of fundamentally was around $0 by and large beyond 4 months, or so they especially thought. Velo Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will be Velo genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Velo cost generally is gauged to arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0, pretty least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Does Velo sort of have a future in an extremely significant manner? As far as value, Velo most certainly has a remarkable by and large potential to arrive at new levels amazingly without a doubt. It in a real sense is conjecture that Velo will increment in esteem in a very enormous way, as indicated by lovely explicit specialists and business examiners. Velo can raise a ruckus around town cost of 73 cents till 2030, which truly shows that as per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Velo can especially raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of 73 cents till 2030, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Velo by and large worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking? Velo's worth truly is supposed to explicitly keep on growing, as deficiency will in general most certainly empower cost rise, showing how Velo value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Velo cost is gauged to fundamentally arrive at in a real sense the least cost of $0 a sort of significant manner. Kindly note, there in every practical sense is a gamble to any interest in an unpretentious manner. Just especially put resources into what you can basically achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the by and large greatest exploration conceivable, showing how these really